Hello, this video is going to show you how to use the Job Assignment Wizard in the PayScan mobile app. So from the home screen, select the Job Assignment Wizard circle right here, and it will take you directly to the Job Assignment Wizard. And then from the drop-down menu here, select the shift you're going to be working with. Once you see the Job Assignment Wizard displayed, you'll want to notice a few things. First of all, there is a legend button here that will show you what all of the icons mean if you ever need a reminder. And you'll also notice that the Job Assignment Wizard always displays the 5 components on the top attached to a date. This is regardless of how many days are assigned to that particular shift. And the dates displayed under the day of the week is the suggested date to assign for that particular job. So in this particular shift, you'll notice it does not include Fridays, only Monday through Thursday. Since today is Monday, I would write the job code for today's date in the employee's work record. For example, Leslie's job for today is PA1, Trina's job is TK5, and Pablo's job is DP1. Let's say I don't want Leslie working on PA1 today. In that case, simply tap the job code and all the jobs available in that particular component will be displayed here. So you go ahead and click on the job you want the employee to do. And now it changed the job for today. Or maybe I don't want Pablo to work in the computer technology component at all today. So what I would do in that case is I would simply press the up and down buttons to the left of Pablo's name, which will display this pop-up. And then I'm going to go ahead and select Group 2. And now you see Pablo will be working in consumer services today and business marketing tomorrow, instead of before when he was in computer today and then construction tomorrow. So this follows the PACE rules where an employee will work in the same component for the whole entire shift in one day and then switch components for the next time they're in the lab. So the Job Assignment Wizard, although it is an optional tool, it's an excellent way to make sure you're following those rules, and the employees are working in a different component each day, and no employee is working in the same component at one time. Okay, so that is how the Job Assignment Wizard works. And if you have any questions, please email support@paceauthor.com and we will be able to help you.